In this video, I'll teach you how to use Claude AI step by step. Claude is an AI assistant that helps you write, analyze information, and create things you'll actually use in your daily work. We'll start with the basics, such as writing, summarizing information, and working with files. Then we'll explore some of Claude's most important features, including artifacts, projects, and connectors. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Claude AI effectively to get real work done. Let's get started. First, head over to the Claude website and sign in. It's completely free. After logging in, you'll see the main prompt box in the center where you interact with Claude. On the left sidebar, you'll find several navigation options, including New Chat, Chat History, Projects, Artifacts, Code, Paid, Customize, and Design. Let's begin by asking Claude to write an article about AI agents. It has started generating the response. If you want a faster response, you can simply click on Quick Answer. There we go. It generated a short article within seconds. Since we're using the free version, only a few models are available. The more advanced models are included with the paid plan. You can also adjust the effort level depending on how much reasoning you want Claude to use. Now let's ask Claude about artificial intelligence and have it generate a PDF explaining the topic. It's generating both the response and the PDF at the same time. The PDF is now ready. You can preview it on the right side, and if you'd like to keep it, you can download it and read it later. For now, let's move on. Another really useful feature is working with files. You can upload documents and ask Claude to summarize them or answer questions based on their contents. I've already uploaded a PDF. Within seconds, it read the entire document and generated a concise summary. That's pretty cool. Once it's finished, you'll also have the option to share the conversation, but we're not going to do that right now. Now, suppose you've had lots of conversations and want to find an older one. You can simply open the chat section from the sidebar to access your previous conversations. Another important feature is projects. Projects help you organize related chats in one place. For example, I'm going to create a project called Revision. When creating a project, you have several options available. You can enable project memory, add custom instructions to tell Claude what to do, what to avoid, define standards, set limitations, and much more. For example, I can ask Claude to correct this poorly written English. As you can see, it revises the text and produces much better results. Next, let's talk about artifacts. Claude Artifacts is a feature that creates self-contained content such as apps, websites, documents, templates, games, productivity tools, and more. Some of its key advantages include interactive workspaces, live sharing links, and support for multiple content formats. Let's open documents and templates. Now we're inside a specific artifact. From here, you can ask Claude to help you create or edit reports, invoices, resumes, templates, and many other types of documents. Another powerful feature is connectors. Connectors let you connect Claude with external services like Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, and many other apps. Simply click Add, and you'll see a long list of supported integrations. Once you've connected an app, you can ask Claude questions about its data. For example, with Gmail, Claude can summarize your emails, help draft replies, send emails, and even assist with simple automations and reminders. It's a really useful feature for connecting your everyday tools and building productive workflows. And that's all for today's video. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Claude AI. It's actually very simple once you know where everything is. If you'd like to learn more about advanced features, connectors, and powerful automations, I'll be making another video on those topics soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.